warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Inshallah, today we will start our new class. Okay, our class today is talking about the same lesson we started before, which is titled Individual and Group Participation. Let's make kind of refreshment about the previous part. We got that the good citizen should participate in a positive way in all issues that's related to his country. And he can do this through many legal ways, like voting. And today we're going to talk about another way people might be able to say their opinion and participate in their country. Participation through interest groups. Okay, Halween? Okay. Actually, before we start talking about participating in interest group, we have to know what's interest group. You might have group of people who's having the same concern about particular issues and maybe same view, same ideas. They agree about the same ideas, and they all together might join to form an interest group. The interest group might be political one, might be charity one, might be industrial, might be economic one. So it might go with different field and different area. Actually, simply how it runs within the interest group. The member can simply gather to share their interest, what they believe, what they want to do, what's their ideas, and so on. Okay? So the interest group members can simply gather to share their interest. But also, they might not only want to share it, but they want also to promote their cases, okay, to promote their opinion, their ideas, okay. So they're going to try to influence public opinion and public policy, okay. They're going to try to influence public opinion and public policy, okay. They're going to try to spread their ideas. They're going to try to make the government listen to them. They're going to try to be involved in some issues, some public issues, which is they believe they should take part in it, and so on. Okay, interest group include charities, neighborhood groups, and professional and trade association. Okay, is it clear? At one of our previous lessons, we learned about formal groups and informal group. And we got that formal group is the group that has written rules. And the informal group, it's a group that might have some rule, but those rules are not written. Okay? Inshallah, today we're going to know more about formal groups and informal group. We're going to start with formal group. Formal group, it's a group that's established to address long-term objective. What does this mean? It means that this type of group all the time, it takes the issues that will take long time to solve, not short time. And those ones, most of the time, they are on spot within the country. This type of groups bring to the attention of government and the general population. They are most of them on spot, and they are effective in the society. Okay, and those one like such as a non-government organization, NGO, a charities group. It's considered a formal group most of time, unless it's working for like small group or small neighborhood to help not with written rules. Okay, the second type, informal group. Informal group often established to address short-term issues that will not take long time. Okay, it needs short time to fix it, to solve it. Most of the time it's related to the local environmental issues, social problem, like cleaning up the neighborhood مثلا. Okay. Carrying out a beach cleanup and so on. Okay حلوين. Hopefully this is clear. Petitioning. Okay, what's petitioning mean? Okay, we talked about voting, we talked about interest group. Now we're going to talk about petitioning. Okay, petitioning, it's a way of participation within public decision. Okay, what's petition means? It's a formal request. To whom? A formal request people might write to the person or to the group, okay, which is having the authority to carry an action. I might write a petition to the principal, the school principal, regarding an issue. Okay, you might write a petition to your teacher for any reason. For example, you're going to have a quiz, you will take a quiz in a certain day, and you think the time of the quiz is not good for you, so you might discuss it with your friend, and by the end you might write a petition to your teacher, ask her to delay the quiz. Okay, but are you going to do it by yourself? No, you might ask your friends to sign it. Why? Because whenever more people sign it, it will show that there is kind of support. It will show that this is the idea of most of you. It will show that the majority agree about the point. Okay, so it will be a strong petition. Okay, maybe you want a trap. Okay, and if you want a trap, you might write a request to the school principal telling her that, Miss, we want to go and trap, and we did not go trap for on time, and so blah 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 blah, and you know the idea. Okay, and then you might sign the paper. Like when I'm gonna look at the paper as a principal مثلا, I'm gonna say, okay, yeah, 18 girls or 19 girls out of 20, they are looking for this, so I'm gonna keep it in concern. I will think about it. Okay, but if it's only from signed by one or two person, I might not. I'm gonna say this is a kind of personal opinion, so I might not take it in concern. Okay, حلوين. Okay. Now most of countries, they are having online, they are giving their people the chance to make a petition online. They don't have to write it and send it by mail or something like that. They are having a certain email address. People, they can write petitions and they can send it over there. So it's easy for people to share, to participate, okay, using this way. Again, another way of participating in public decision making is submitting a petition. A petition is a formal request to a person or a group in position of authority to carry out a particular action. Petitions are often signed by many people in order to show how much support there is for the request, for the idea. Modern petitions are often online. This is the part I would like to cover today, and I will be happy to receive your question. Hopefully you understood it. Inshallah, there will be a homework in Classera, and inshallah, see you soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.